Media release. The ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2025 in India and Sri Lanka gets underway on the 30th of September, and all 8 teams have named their squads that will compete for the title. All the sides have a wealth of young talent travelling to the subcontinent that will look to light up the tournament from ball one. Below are the most exciting young prospects that you should look out for at CWC 2025. Georgia Wall, Australia. 22-year-old Georgia Wall has had a rapid start to her ODI career for Australia. The top-order batter has scored 173 runs in just 4 appearances at an average of 57.66. This includes a top score of 101 against India in Brisbane last December, before she scored another 100 for Australia A against England A in April. Wall looks to have the skill set to score runs in bunches, and she could help drive Australia to another lengthy World Cup run. Alice Capsey, England. At 21, Alice Capsey is already an experienced player on the international stage and has racked up 26 caps in orders for England. The all-rounder averages 23.58 with the ball and 20.17 with the bat in the format, and is in fine domestic form coming into CWC 2025. Capsey scored 250 and took 12 wickets in the 100 last month, showing she is ready to take on the world in India. Nishita Akhtar Nishi, Bangladesh. Spinner Nishita Akhtar Nishi was a star of the ICC Women's U19 World Cup for Bangladesh in January. The 17-year-old earned 2 caps at 15 against Pakistan in 2023, and will make her World Cup debut next month. The off-spinner can turn the ball a long way and produced a highlight dismissal of West Indies' Jazara Claxton in the U19 World Cup, squaring the batter up and hitting the top of her middle stump. Flora Devonshire, New Zealand. Uncapped all-rounder Flora Devonshire is set to make her ODI debut for New Zealand on the biggest stage. The left-arm off-spinner has 2 T20I caps for the White Ferns as she debuted this year in their series against Sri Lanka. Though Devonshire didn't bat, she impressed with the ball in her second appearance, taking 1 for 12 off 2 overs. Ayman Fatima, Pakistan. 20-year-old Ayman Fatima is one of Pakistan's most promising prospects and has earned her spot in the World Cup squad, despite not having an ODI cap to date. She was Pakistan's leading run scorer at the 2023 ICC Women's U19 T20 World Cup with 157 runs at an average of 52.33, with a top score of 65 Tarankan off 60 deliveries against Rwanda. Ayman made her T20I debut in August against Ireland, scoring 23 off 16 balls. Dumi Vihanga, Sri Lanka. Promising all-rounder Dumi Vihanga looks set to make an impact for Sri Lanka after impressing with the ball in her 4 ODI caps, which all came in this year's Tri-Nations series. The 20-year-old averages just 18.81 over her 4 appearances with best figures of 5 for 43 against South Africa in May. Vihanga finished as the second highest wicket taker in the tournament with 11. Anneri Duxon, South Africa. Anneri Duxon was the first South African to win the ICC Women's Emerging Cricketer of the Year award, when she did so in 2024. The all-rounder is excellent in every facet of the game, averaging 36.54 with the bat and 27.8 with the ball in 13 orders to this point. The 24-year-old is in top form coming into CWC 2025 after she scored 104 from number 7 at a strike rate of 123 against Sri Lanka in May. Duxon will be key to South Africa's run at the World Cup, both by picking up crucial runs down the order and bowling consistent line and length in the middle of the innings. Kranti God, India. Due to the conditions in India, to be a pace bowler you have to have something special, and Kranti God fits that bill. The 22-year-old has only 6 caps to her name in orders so far, but she has performed brilliantly, cementing her place in India's World Cup squad. During her country's tour of England this summer, she joined Jasprit Bumrah and Kuldeep Yadav as the only players to ever take 6 wickets for India in orders in the country, with 6 for 52 at Chester Street. Heading into the World Cup, God's average sits at an impressive 18.53, and she looks set to make an impact for the hosts.